Hello everyone, my name is Jatin Lalawat and this video is about open sex trafficking in India. This video is about Indian sex trafficking racket, a sex trafficking racket of Indian police that is working within Indian government. These criminals are being funded by Indian Prime Minister. These criminals are being given Indian military technology, Indian radio military technology, that is voice to skull, to torture me 24/7. These are Indian males and Indian females working, and Indian female is right now laughing. These are Indian females attacking, torturing, mentally abusing a 26 years old male. And the only reason I am being targeted in India is because I wanted to move to America. I never wanted to stay in India. I wanted to move to Europe. I wanted to move to other countries, developed countries. I never wanted to stay in India. I speak English. I don't speak Hindi. I don't prefer Hindi. And that because of that reason, these motherfuckers torture me. Social engineering, even if I walk outside of my home right now, Indian civilians will attempt to murder me. Indian civilians have been given access to torture me. Though nobody in India have any fucking consent, but Indian civilians are torturing me on voice to skull, harassing me, mentally abusing me. None of my fucking relatives have any fucking consent, but Indian government is torturing me. These criminals torture me 24/7, sexually harasses me, forces me to watch porn. These motherfuckers doesn't let me sleep until I watch pornography. These motherfuckers force me to perform things that these motherfuckers want me to do, basically sexually harassing activities. These motherfuckers doesn't let me sleep until they are able to sexually harass me. These motherfuckers torture my brain continuously, shockwave my brain 24/7. Last night I was kept awake for more than 22 hours. These motherfuckers did not let me sleep whole night long, and I was able to sleep at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. in the morning after being kept awake whole night long. This is working within Indian government. These are Indian government pedophiles, and there is not even one law that I can use for my protection. Indian government, Indian civilians will attempt to murder me if I'm fighting against these motherfuckers, if I'm fighting for my human rights in India. Can you imagine, if I'm fighting for my human rights in India, Indian civilians and these pedophiles will make it impossible for me to walk on any road in India. These motherfuckers are not letting me get a job. I speak English, just because of that reason I am not able to get a job in India. These motherfuckers doesn't let me get a job. These motherfuckers say that you have to do every single thing in an Indian way, only then we will let you survive, otherwise we will murder you. These motherfuckers want to extract the consent, and just because I'm not giving consent to be sex trafficked, to be illegally, experimented upon, these motherfuckers doesn't let me sleep, constantly torture me, shockwave my brain, keep me awake against my will. Every single human right that I have has been exploited in India, abused in India, by Indian government, by Indian civilians. Please share this video and do anything that you can do to punish these motherfucking Indian pedophiles or anybody who is involved. Please fight against this in the name of Jesus Christ. Don't let these motherfuckers prevail.